Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of viewing events notifications on Facebook. If you want to stay updated on upcoming events and receive timely notifications, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already done so, go to the Play Store on your smartphone and type Facebook into the search bar. Look for the white F logo with a white background. Tap on it, and then tap on Install to download and install the Facebook app. Step 2. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign into your Facebook account. If you don't have an account, you can quickly create one by following the prompts. Step 3. After signing in, tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the app. This will open the menu where you can access various options and settings. Step 4. Tap on Events. This will take you to the Events section where you can discover and manage upcoming activities. Step 5. In the Events section, tap on the calendar icon located next to the plus icon. This will open the calendar view. Step 6. Tap on the bell icon located near the notifications. This will display the notifications related to events. Now you can easily view the notifications related to your events on Facebook. Stay updated on event details, reminders, and any changes that may occur. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and enjoy staying informed with Facebook event notifications.